Butt sluts. Booty hole sluts. Big fat booty puff sluts. Fat booty puff sluts. This a motherfucking late ass stream, dude. No, I just had to set some shit up. I wasn't gonna sit there and have you guys fucking have to put up with me getting all my fucking RetroArch shit set up and everything else. So I got it all set up. We're good to go. I also got this fucking power drill massacre set up. Hopefully it fucking shows up. You guys will have to let me know if this shit turns full screen or not. So let me know if this looks good when I start this up. I don't know if I should play that hentai furry game or not, bro. Some of those games might be like legit have nudity and shit in them, and I fucking end up getting kicked off of here. That'd be fucked up. Can you guys see this? Does this look okay? What's up, guys? You guys see this? Does it look okay? Listen to that music, dude. That's dope. Looks good? Hell yeah. Hells to the yeah. Sweet. There's 2 screens. That's not good. Yeah, there shouldn't be 2 screens here. Let me try to figure that out. That's dope. I don't know why. Let me try to get rid of display capture. Yeah, I see the one on the top left. I wonder... Get ready to get spooked. I spooked him. I wonder how I get rid of that, though. Do I get rid of the display capture option, maybe? What's up, guys? I'm just trying to work out some technical issues here. I see it on my phone, too, that it's fucked up. Those that are more inclined with OBS will have to tell me. Get ready to display capture, okay. Hey, it loads. I will say that. Alright, how's it look? Here, hold on. Let me bring it up on my phone. How I get rid of that, though? Do I get rid of the display capture option, maybe? Get rid of display. Now it's in the top right. Now it's in the top left. Stretch it to fill the canvas. I think you're right, McCready. Hold on. Let's try that. Let's Streetwalkers. Alright, how's it look now? Are we good in the hood? Works great? Awesome. Streetwalkers. Good, awesome. Nice! Alright. This game, it looks scary as shit, dude. So we got, like, visual things. We got VHS and DVD. I want VHS for sure. Orbital. Fixed. I don't know why, hold on, I don't know why those white things appeared.
No comment about them.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna not change the settings or anything. I don't want those white bars on the sides. Alright, here we go. Dude, this game... I mean, this seriously has, like, one of the coolest, like, looks to it. I'm telling you. You guys have no idea, man. This game is scary as fuck. I watched a streamer play this. It, like, legitimately, like, was a frightening game. No, I'm eating these, like, tempura seaweed chip things. Can't feel my legs. That's because they're not there, Bubba. You ain't got no legs. Don't worry, I'll go get help. I'm such a cheap ass. I wouldn't pay $2 to some shady ass website. So Nick, my buddy Nick, hooked me up with it. He's like, here you go, man. He's in here watching. I think I'm alright. Dude, I miss, like, VHS tapes, dude. Like, I mean, you could just really see, like, the certain parts that people would watch over and over again. They'd be a lot more worn out on the video and shit. It was awesome. Okay, how's these controls work here? Dude, that's awesome, dude. Dude, how creepy is that? I'm telling you, man, this game is scary as fuck, dude. What's up, guys? '70s style grindhouse. I don't think this has controller support. Yeah, Caleb's the killer. Hey, Rob. Hey, man, listen, see, I called your mom, right? And I asked her out on a date. I hope that's okay. No, Caleb, that's not alright. Hey, Rob, listen. Hey, Rob, I was hiding in your closet while you were sleeping last night. And I was jerking off to the sounds you make while you're sleeping. I hope that's alright. No, that's not alright, Caleb. I think that's kind of weird. You're a piece of shit, man. You're just a fucking piece of shit. It's not right that you don't let me sleep in your closet and watch you while you're sleeping. Listen, Rob. Hey, I jerked off on your face while you were sleeping. I think some got in your mouth. You slept with your mouth open, so I felt like you wouldn't mind if I busted a nut in your mouth while you were sleeping. I appreciate if you didn't do that, Caleb. You know what, man? I'm getting really sick and tired of your shit, Rob. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I don't remember here. I'm supposed to go down or something. Hey, you want some random pizza? I gotta be able to. There's always one guy, dude. That's how it goes. You gotta go over here. There's nowhere else to go. Drunken Punk was worse, for obvious reasons. Oh, here we go. I could climb up that hill. I just couldn't tell. It looked like it was too steep. I think this looks like a PS1 game over an N64 game, but either one works. You guys haven't seen anything, dude. This game is fucking scary as fuck. Look up. Hold on. You see that? There's somebody up there, dude. Look. Now watch what happens when you get closer. Gone. Dude, this game's fucked up, dude. It's a mess. It's a mess. A lot of you guys haven't seen this, and I'm excited to show it to you, dude. These controls are really fucking weird, though, I will say. I just wish there was an easier way to control it. But I'll get used to it, I suppose. This door's open downside. Oh, God. Okay, so the whole point of this game is you gotta find these keys, okay? And this guy's gonna chase you around, and he's fucking fast as fuck, dude. So you got a flashlight, which I don't remember what key that is. Oh, you can get a pad. Hold on. Does that work? Here, hold on. I'm trying to get the... If I can get a pad on here, that'd be fucking awesome, dude. Yeah, I can try to turn up the brightness. I need a flashlight here. Hold on. I gotta figure these controls out. Give me a minute. Up, down, left, right. Run is right trigger. I gotta figure this. Dude. Hold on. Flashlight key's F, yeah. I want to use a PS4 controller, dude. That sucks. I have it hooked up. Flashlight's not working. I'm pushing F. Maybe I didn't grab the flashlight? Because I can't see, dude. It's dark. It's super dark. Oh, I bet I didn't grab the flashlight, dude. Alright, hold on. Let me back out of this real quick. I want to see if I can... Ooh, Nights into Dreams. Thanks, Joe. I don't think it supports hot swapping controllers, is the problem. So let me just get back into it real quick. PS4 controller's hooked up to this motherfucker. Maybe I gotta hardwire it here. Hold on. There we go. There we go. We got it. I had to hardwire it. Come over here and watch this game and turn the lights out because it's a spooky game.
I don't like TV. Oh my god, look at your keypad though.
I know, it's all lit up.
That's like perfect. I have nowhere to sit.
Bring a chair in here.
We don't have any other chairs in the house. I'm not going out to the car to get one of those chairs.
Sit on the floor with the rest of the dirt. my pretty wife with her titties.
I got it.
Alright guys, let's do this. I'm excited. Jeff is like, bleh. Is there not a flashlight around here? Or maybe not. Ani was driving.
Boy, wasn't I getting in jail.
My name's Jeff, and I'm a dead body.
Ow!
You okay there, babe?
Yeah.
I know walking is difficult.
I hit my knee on the chair. It got hot.
There's gotta be a flashlight around here, because you can't fucking see once you get to the building.
Still got some tempura in there.
There's a little bit. Oh, the trunk.
No, what? Oh.
There we go.
The fuck was this game made in the 1980s?
No, baby. It wasn't.
The quality sucks.
Your quality sucks.
Look, it's like when the TV's fucked
It's
up.
supposed to look like that.
Well, it's irritating.
Go back in your corner.
You want me to come sit
Man,
with
that
you.
stinks.
What
What are you
stinks?
drinking?
You stink. I'm drinking my alcohol. I want alcohol.
I wish 1980s games had this. Babe, these are far superior than anything that ever appeared in
Okay,
the
so
80s.
what year was this?
If you was to bring, as a matter of fact, if you was to go back in time and bring this game to the 80s, literally people would have like coronaries.
Well, then what year is this from?
This is
Like
a
90s?
newer game. It's just made to look old.
Okay, well, I don't like
I mean, this would look pretty much at home around like 97, 98.
Okay.
Somewhere around there. Yeah, it's a 2017 indie title. It's supposed to look like that. Ani don't understand
Well,
things. Ever.
That's not true.
It is true.
It is not true.
It's so much better with a controller, too. It's a little touchy control-wise, but it's better. Let's get into this. Yeah, this game came out 1,000 years ago, dude.
Shut up!
Look,
Well,
there's the killer up there. He's spooky, he's watching us.
his name is Stephanie.
He does appeal.
I hate...
Hey Rob, this is Caleb.
Shut up.
Hey, mind if I come over and spend the night
Reaper.
for tonight and 7 days straight? And then scratch that 7 months.
What? Come here. Come on.
There we go. Now I can see.
Come up here.
You just can't even play the game at all without the fucking flashlight, dude.
Come
Babe, you gotta quit. You gotta not make noise.
What the fuck?
Be quiet.
No.
Okay, now these keys can be in like certain areas here. There's one. Got a key with blue paint splatter.
That's what.
Now this killer could literally come at any minute and kill you, dude. It's spooky. It's spooky game. It's a spooky game. Oh, there's a key. No, that's a letter. Search continues for missing campers.
Wait, you got a visitor.
Hi, kitty.
Yeah. Mega Mac, we were referring to the New Year's stream, yes.
Okay. This is insane, dude. Does everything sound okay? I didn't ask you guys that. If not, it's too late. I can't fucking go back and change anything right now anyway.
Joe M. Hey Rob, is it cool if I deliver pizza to your house and afterwards get some cigarettes? That'd be nice.
Hey, son, Rob, can I come over and fuck your butt? Would that be weird? Sounds fine. Okay, cool. Dude, this is fucking weird, dude.
Everything's good, man.
Where's the fucking keys at, dude? This game's already freaking me out, dude. I gotta breathe.
Deep breath.
Oh my god! Oh fucking fuck!
That scared me.
Oh shit! God damn it! Fuck!
That was scary.
Fuck this game, dude. God. Shit! Ah! You be fucking kidding me with this.
It's okay, Binksy. It's just a game.
Oh Jesus Christ! Ah!
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh god. I'm getting spooked. I got it. I got it spookins. Go turn that light off over there.
Baby.
Turn the light off, babe.
I
It's a
can't
spooky
reach.
game.
Oh, it's comfortable.
Don't care.
Where'd you go, Binks? Oh, he's hiding behind the curtain. Nice. Real nice. Not gonna help much there, buddy.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Spooks.
I'm not gonna be able to find any of these
Is
keys.
that a girl
dude.
or a dude?
It's a girl, babe.
Oh.
Dude, fucking the killer comes out of nowhere and kills you, dude. There ain't nothing you can do about it. You can turn the flashlight off and, like, you can run away from them. I'm glad you like these streams, dude. You can, like, turn the lights out. Oh, God.
I turned your flashlight back on.
No, he's up there.
Oh.
I don't know where the fucking keys are, dude. Ani asks questions that don't... I mean, it's obviously a girl.
Well, I couldn't tell from the back of the head, babe.
Well, what the hell does it look like?
It didn't look like a fucking girl.
It barely
from
looks
my
like a
angle.
person, honestly, if you want me to be completely honest. No, I don't have those 7 copies of Marmaduke. I couldn't take them with me because I couldn't fit them in my
You
bag.
only have one of them.
I know, because I couldn't fit them in my bag. There's steps. I don't know.
Is that a guy with triangle titties? Shut up, sick Nick.
This place is fucking confusing, dude.
3 to 4 hits is all it takes to die. That's what Glass Bob said.
It'll be a good time to sprint when the subtle footsteps are closing in. Okay.
You wanna watch Marmaduke?
Be nice if I could find one single goddamn key.
I love pumpkin spice. Snake. It's almost that time of year. Pumpkin spice everything.
Oh, that water doesn't look sanitary, dude.
Looks like my shits.
Yeah, it does.
You've never seen my shits. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you have.
You have?
I have
That's
seen
gross.
your fucking turds because you don't flush them. It's gross.
I do flush them.
Ani took a dump here not too long ago. A little while ago. It still reeks.
It's not my fault. That's why I don't drink Kool-Aids.
Stinks the whole damn house up for days.
No, that's Binks' farts. Did you tell them about that?
Yeah.
That was gross.
Dude, what's with the music box, dude? Fuck this game.
It's creepy. It's spooky. Ooh. Don't go back there. You die. Don't go back there.
What? I don't care to read about the dying people. I just want to find the keys and get out of this fucking place. Why did I even come in here, dude?
This is like dead
Like there's
space.
gonna be some help in here?
Yeah, it's gonna kill you.
Oh, I found 2 keys. How many is there? There's only 3? I found 2 of the 3?
Didn't you find another one earlier?
No, the keys are different every time I died.
Oh.
So I lost that key.
Dang.
I found 2 of the 3 keys.
Yes, watching Hocus Pocus is a yearly tradition, Denzel.
Hocus Pocus, dude. I'm gonna be honest
Shut your
here,
mouth.
dude.
Shut
I mean,
up.
that movie's okay.
Shut up. It's a Halloween movie. You
Yeah,
don't watch Halloween
but it
television.
ain't that great. It is not one of my fave skis.
Doesn't mean ask me to think for.
I don't remember where the door's at to get out of here. I like Hocus Pocus. We named our cat Binks for fucking Christ's sakes.
Yeah.
But I just don't think it's as good as a lot of people make it out to be.
I mean, it's better than naming him Salem.
Okay, I think that was the door.
No.
I grew up with fucking Hocus Pocus, guys. I mean, I fucking watched that movie probably more times than anybody up in this bitch.
Dead Space.
Yeah, there's one more key. I need one more key.
Ma 77, the Tin Tan Man. He said, "My name is Bruce."
Oh God! Oh sweet Jesus! No! No!
I'm supposed to run. Oh my God! Look at all that blood.
God damn it! I had 2 of the 3 keys, man. I was almost there.
That's crazy that your cat's name is Binks also.
Yeah.
Trick or Treat is the best Halloween movie. I don't think so.
Trick or Treat's a good movie.
I don't know if I've ever seen that.
I was almost out this bitch, dude.
Your cat's name is
This game is awesome, dude. I told you. This is like I was trying to figure out what the hell this game was called.
I did not die, Snake. Dude, it might came out the stall.
The keys are always... These keys are always in different places. It's never the same game twice.
Yeah. Ma 77. Oh yeah.
I think there's sometimes on this drill, too.
I was never a huge fan of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, though.
I watched Sabrina, but I never loved Sabrina.
Yeah, I like enough to
I
be my
like...
cat.
Ah!
Oh, this is going pain.
I cannot run away from this guy. He's too fast. Fuck.
Rose could never run.
Shit. Man, this game's gonna make me piss myself, dude.
Please don't. Someone, Michael asked, any luck finding Ghost of Tsushima?
Yeah, it's at GameStop now. I just need to go buy it.
Is that the one that just came out recently?
Yeah.
I'm not dead. Did you ever watch the TV show Daria? I did, but I wasn't really a big fan of it, Denzel. So I probably watched it here and there, but I didn't watch it continuously, no. Dustin said turn on face cam.
Oh, dude. Oh, God. It's too dark in here to do face cam.
Oh, okay. He wants you to.
I got it. It's all spooky.
Yeah. We got all spooky up in here. You won't be able to see our faces.
Oh my God, look at this. Going down this dank ass cellar, dude.
A copy of Ghost of Tsushima is worth more than the entire GameStop. Oh boy.
Man, this game's gonna make me fucking have a heart attack, dude. Is there a key down here? There is. No, there isn't. It's fucking stupid ass newspaper articles.
How the fuck can my friends do that?
Does that mean he's coming? when that scratchiness happens.
You don't hear footsteps?
These are my footsteps.
Oh.
There's 3 glowing items, actually, I think. Yeah, it's all just part of this newspaper. I gotta get out of this fucking place, dude. This is claustrophobic as a motherfucker, dude.
Imagine if you were really in there. Oh. What was that sound? Oh.
That sounds like someone's fucking beating their wet dick. Skeet, skeet, skeet.
No, she don't. I don't got brown hair. I'm not that skinny. And I don't look like a dude. Oh.
The fuck is this, dude? Cages.
Ooh.
Well, this is gross. I believe I found his lair. Holy shit, there's a skeleton.
Ugh! Ew, I'll fly this goes.
Items for a TV.
Solid rock basement. That's
Dude, this
funny,
is a bad area. This is not a good area to be in. I gotta get out of here.
And I got you trapped.
Oh god, the door closed. I can't get out of here. Why am I in here? Why'd you guys let me go in here, dude?
Slowpoke said
Hey
that-
Rob, hey listen.
Said that's
You
Caleb
want
trash.
to come over and hang out in my crib?
That's funny.
All the other YouTubers are here. Like there's Alpha Omega Sin, right there.
It looks like when you're riding a Harley.
There's Metal Jesus on the bed over there. He's a good guy. We have sex every now and then.
Glass Bob says brace for a jump scare soon.
Oh, why can't I get out of this room, dude?
Justin
They're
said
cages for
jump in
people.
Punk's house and then the I was ready for that one. I was prepared.
My heart. Can't
Hey,
take it.
Rob.
I'm in a cage, dude. I'm in a cage.
Thanks, Pikmin. We found out who was coming.
I can't get out, dude. Can't get out. Oh god. Oh god.
Now he puts you in a cage.
No, he's gonna fuck me in the butt. He's gonna fuck me in the butt. Hell yeah!
Maybe he'll cut your toe off for you.
He's gonna fuck my butt. He's gonna fuck my butt. Maybe I like being in this cage. What the fuck, dude? I'm gonna have a seizure. You wanna let me out of here? Or what's going on?
Hi, Ashley.
I don't feel so good. Let me out. This is fucked up, dude.
Bangkok.
Caleb! Let me out, man! Please! I didn't mean it. You're not a psychopath. Oh god. Ah! Ah! Bleh, 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 bleh. Wow. Okay. Beat the game. That. Oh,
That's Cannibal Metal Jesus when he sees your hidden gems.
okay.
That was awesome.
That's scary. That's a scary game.
Let's go with that.
That was something.
Caleb's lair.
That happened. What the fuck, dude?
Rob didn't put the lotion on its skin.
Jesus Christ, dude. I mean, what was that? Was that like an ending? That was one of the endings? Jesus.
Why the fuck did it close on you?
I don't fucking know, dude. That's scary.
It's over? Sick.
No, that's just one of the endings. That's the bad ending.
Yeah. Ninja. It's called Power Drill Massacre.
Power Drill Massacre.
That's cool.
That was a bad ending. Okay, what's going on?
Uh-oh. What happened?
I don't know. Oh.
What the fuck?
The title screen is awesome, dude. Alright, let's try that again.
Cigarette butt cock is
Why
here.
isn't it fucking working? It's gonna make me run to the fucking place again.
That is creepy, John.
Puppet combo. Yeah, we need a name for our company. It needs to be something really catchy. It just rolls off the tongue. How about puppet combo? Okay. Alright. Got something there. This game is legitimately more scary than actual some big budget horror games I played, dude. I'm not kidding. I gotta play all the games in the series.
Butt cock said, I'm a big fan, Robbie. How do I donate money?
Cigarette
You
butt.
go up to the money sign in the corner on the chat and you click it and you select the amount you want to donate.
My controller isn't working now. Like that guy killed me so hard that now my controller isn't working. I don't know.
Yeah, Sick Nick, I wonder the same thing actually. Who knows?
It's not letting me it's
It's not letting you control it now.
It's not letting me do it with the controller now. I don't know why. There we go.
Thank you, Ani. I will donate $100. Whoa. You see that?
What?
Cigarette butt crack. I told it.
Cigarette butt crack?
That's what he said.
That's not his name.
Oh, butt cock. But still.
His name's not Cigarette Butt Crack,
Thank
babe.
you, Ani. I will donate $100.
That would be awesome. I'd appreciate that.
That would be amazing.
I'll get Ani a copy of Hooked on Phonics so she
Shut
can
the fuck up.
learn how to read.
Shut up.
See, a Cigarette Butt Crack is gonna donate.
Kick, kick, kick.
I don't think anybody's donated this stream yet, have they?
No.
No.
I have not seen any donations since I've been out here.
Everybody's too scaled. With the
This
spooky.
head, they're so scaled. So scaled. Dollars. Nailed it.
Cigarette boob crack.
Better.
I like that too.
Cigarette butt crack sounds funnier. I'm sorry.
Cigarette butt crack. She wasn't there for that, so she don't know who Cigarette Butt Cock is.
You sure it's not Caleb? I mean, you're right.
See if we can't beat this game, dude. We had 2 of the 3
Thanks,
fucking
Dustin.
keys, dude. We had 2 of the 3 fucking keys.
Also, Dustin, you spelled hooked wrong. Just saying. You missed an O there, buddy.
Alright.
These account names are too funny, laughing ass. Yeah, they are.
Of course, first time I play it, when the controls are fucked up, the key's right there. No other time. Oh shit! Get out. Oh, fuck that. Fuck that!
Gosh.
Oh, fuck.
That's my
You can't get away from him, dude. I mean, once he finds you, you're just boned.
Maybe this guy startled that you broke into his house and he kills you out of fear.
I mean,
Could be.
he wouldn't be prosecuted. If this was Texas, you'd get off scot-free. Oh, key.
Hey, what's the name of this game?
This is called the Power Drill Massacre.
Dustin, I've been home from work since 10, but okay. Did you just now realize I was home?
You're not really here. You're a figment of our imagination. Sometimes I watch streamers where like most, like almost
TWO.
all the keys are in one area.
It's a girl. The main character is a girl.
Thanks, babe.
Somebody asked if it was a boy or girl. Someone said I started watching Rob at 14. Now I'm 23.
Yeah. That's awesome, bro.
That's really cool. I'm Ani.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. The killer is you, and Rob is running from you.
That's deep, dude. That's deep.
That's what Dustin said.
No! No! No!
Did you start dying?
God damn it, dude.
Gosh.
Brutal. Okay, there's one key. If you can get lucky and just get all the keys in one area, that'd be dope.
Run, Rob. It keeps scaring me. It's pretty hardcore. Maybe he found me because the light on. Your light was on.
Could be.
He died. I mean, she.
It could have something to do with the light. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh. One Vasquez says, I know I was the hype, then awesome sauce, and finally I decided to just be me. Congratulations on being yourself.
It's deep, dude.
Right?
This place is a lot bigger than it seems at first.
Dustin, I'm totally staying healthy. I eat so much healthy
I'm
food.
not going back down there, dude.
I'm a health freak.
Yeah, she eats so much healthy food, like triple stack Mac Deluxes and
Yeah, I do, dude. I can fucking...
lard burgers.
No, I'm kidding. I don't eat healthy.
Oh, God!
Dustin, I can put down a Wendy's Dave double and a double quarter pounder.
Where'd I go? What happened? Where am I? What happened? What the fuck?
What just happened?
I don't know.
I hear stuff still though.
What the fuck?
No,
Did I fall down in a hole or
I
something?
don't look too close at that screen.
Dude, I can't see.
Yeah.
Dude, I fell off the world.
$5
I dropped through the world, dude.
Swole Patrol.
Yeah, thanks, Swole. Time to deliver a pizza ball. Dude,
crashed.
come on. I gotta fucking do that again.
Ew, no, move on to the next game.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one more time, guys. I'll save it when I get up there or something.
Proctor X, $2. Nice stream, Robin on.
Thanks, Proctor.
Thanks, Bubs. It's an indie game, lol. There's gonna be bugs.
It's a very impressive indie game, dude. I'm actually really impressed by it. It's got an awesome mood to it. It's funny because as much as I like, you know, gaming laptops, as much as I like this laptop, like most of the games I'm probably going to ever play on it is stuff like this that you could probably play on a fucking tablet anyways. That's the crazy part about it.
Indie games bring so much innovation. They do.
I got 2 flashlights.
Dude.
I'm telling you, dude, like, if I was to make a game, like, I feel like this would be the game I would make. You know what I mean? If I knew how to, like, make a game. Because, like, this is like an idea I had in my head, like, a long time ago. Like, even when I was a kid. I just don't have any ability to make games. I feel like if I would have made a game, this would be it.
No, Dustin, we have no car news.
No, my Honda's been pretty rock solid lately.
Somebody, Proctor said this will be good for a Halloween special stream.
This game's been out for a few years, so a lot of people did stream it on Halloween and shit. I just had to show you guys this game. I thought it was really cool. A lot of people I talked to didn't know anything about it.
Joe M said, you ever played Babysitter Bloodbath? It's done by the same people that did this.
No, I heard that one's good, though. This is the one that really freaked me out when I watched it. I was like, man, that's fucking cool, dude.
How are you going to play Demon's Souls on PS5?
I don't know, man. I'm just kind of burnt out on the Souls games. It's definitely not a system seller for me, I gotta be honest. Let me see if I can save it here. So what's this load game? What does load game do when you can't save it? I don't understand.
It's so short, there's no reason to save it.
Why is there a load game option then?
Well, is there a save option in the options?
What now? What is this now? What is this now?
Yeah, Souls is getting a bit much.
It's froze. Yeah, it's froze. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to call it. It's 2:30 in the morning, so I just wanted to stream for a little while longer for you guys. But I'll stream tomorrow. I just had to show you guys that game. That was a really cool game, dude. Thanks for joining me, guys. That game is jank, though, for sure.
Bye, bitches!
Why do people talk about indie games like it's a genre? That is true. Thanks for chilling with me, guys.
Dustin asked if you've ever shown me your Metroid cartoon. I don't think so.
922, yeah, McReady, you're on the other side of the earth, bro. Alright, you guys have a good night, man. I'm out of here. I'll stream tomorrow. Me and Ani ain't doing nothing tomorrow.
Yeah,
So.
we not busy tomorrow.
Alright, you guys have a good one. Peace.